If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI tools, and you don't need to be super technically inclined. In fact, all the stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you for free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. Now, this checklist includes full step by step with tutorials of videos of how to get started. You get prompts that I use for my short form content. You'll get a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. You'll get a list of 700 done for you videos that are plug and play right into CapCut or Gen 3. You'll also get make.com blueprints that I use for different AI automations and sequences that I use for my students and my clients. Now, if you want all of this stuff, by the way, all you have to do, subscribe, drop a comment that lets me know you're taking action, and I will send you access to all of this stuff right now. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First thing you're going to want to do to get access to the digital playbook is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get taken to this screen right here. This is our free community, has 827 people in it, and this is where the digital playbook is hosted. I have some other offers right here as well, but the digital playbook is the main one, and this is in the free group. Once you join, you'll just start here. We have announcements, a chat, a live stream. I try to go live probably once a week. Members only. These are where some videos of that I don't post on YouTube that are only for the members. So to get started, just go ahead and get this, and you'll have access to everything that you need. Now let's go and dive into the checklist. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to gohighlevel.com. This is going to be our CRM, which is allowing us to send emails, collect emails, build our funnel, and then schedule out all of our short form content with our social planner. Now, once you join, this is going to be your sub account. This is going to be your homepage, and the three areas that I'm going to be talking about are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, like I said, that's where the social planner is. Automation, that is where we build all our email sequences, and then sites, that's where the funnels are going to be. So first thing I want to touch on is, let me go back to the digital playbook real quick. After this video, when I go back, make sure you're going through everything, but I'm just going to take you through everything step by step because I know what to do. So once you're in Go High Level, you're going to want to go to automations. Now, automations is going to be how we set up our email sequences. And to get access to all of this stuff right here, actually, all you need to do is just follow the checklist like I said, and you'll be able to import a snapshot. And what a snapshot is, it gives you guys all of my funnels, all of my custom values, everything that I'm using inside my own business, and you're able to just import it directly into your guys's, so you don't have to spend your time of trying to figure out and putting everything together, building everything. So going back to the digital, or going back to Go High Level, you want to go to over here to new email opt-ins. Now, this is just one of the many email sequences that I have, but I use this one, or I give this one to you guys because I have built custom values in this sequence. And what that means is all these emails already have hyperlinks to a custom value. So if you open up one of these, and then you'll see where it says like click here, this is going to be to a custom value. Go all the way down, scroll here. This one's going to be to a custom value. And why I do this is because if you were to import my snapshot and I did not have this custom values, these would be all linked to my affiliate links. And we don't want that. We want your guys' affiliate links to be in here. So before I show you how to import or set up your custom values, first we need to get you an affiliate link of a tool that you want to promote. So if we go to the digital playbook, we can go over here to AI tools. And like I said, these are 130 AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote, which means to have affiliate links. Suggest you starting off with would be probably one of these three. So Go High Level, Blotato, or XWeacher. Now, Blotato is actually one of the tools that I use to create my short form videos. So I'm going to talk about using this tool as your guys' own affiliate. I have videos on my channel about how to use this and why I use it and why I like it, but I'm just going to show you how to sign up as affiliate. As you can see right here, if you're looking at the screen, affiliate is right up here at the top. You're just going to want to click here. It already has this on the site, and you're just going to hit join affiliate program. And once you do, you will get a little link that looks like this. This is going to be your affiliate link, and this is what you're going to be copy and pasting into your custom value. So going back to Go High Level, we are going to go back to the workflows. Now it's going to take us to the home screen. We're going to go down here to settings, and then we're going to go to custom values. All you're going to need to do is hit new custom value, make it a name, affiliate link, and then this right here is where you're going to paste, and then hit create, and then all of your custom values with the title affiliate link are going to be populated already. So we have the back end. Now let's talk about sites in the front end. So you're going to want to, I'm just going to use mine as an example. You are going to want to have something that looks like this. Now my domain name is Digital Playbook. If you don't have a domain, the good thing about Go High Level, another reason why I like it, is you're able to just purchase a domain right inside of Go High Level. If you don't want to use Go High Level, there's plenty of other domain registries like GoDaddy, Squarespace, but Go High Level is already integrated with that, so I would just recommend you guys go ahead and just buy one that way. But going back to the domain, this is what it looks like, and this is just a super simple opt-in that tells them what they're going to get, and then they sign up. A lead magnet is just something of value that you're giving away for someone's first name and email address. So once you have this set up, now you'll able to, when someone puts in their information like this, they will get opted in to that email sequence we just set up before. Now, one of the last things we needed to talk about, and probably one of the most important, is the social planner or the content creation of short form. So going back to marketing, this is where you're going to be able to schedule out all your content. So the three main platforms that I suggest you start out with is going to be YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, why I don't have TikTok on here is because TikTok doesn't really like AI generated content. So these are the main ones that I would suggest you starting off with. What I'm going to suggest is there's two different ways. You can use these videos right here that I have, and what you would need to do is just download these videos right here, download them on your computer. I'm not going to do that. I'm just walking you through. This is the step one, and then we're going to open up CapCut. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these videos together and then create a short form video like this. So what we're going to do with those videos is I actually have AI generated videos of myself, but it's the same thing. Just put 5 of those videos together, and then we are going to use one of these prompts. I give you the prompts. Obviously go through and change out the domain name with your own. It's just like top 3 websites you're not supposed to know about. Some intriguing, that's a hook right there. And then it gives the different websites and what they're about. But all you would do is create videos like this. Like I said, I use my own pictures, and in the digital playbook, it shows you how to use Gen 3 and Runway if you actually want to do that as well. Setting up your AI avatar, your AI army. But Blotato is the new way that I've been doing this. It is super easy. The videos that you create look amazing. All you would do is log in. You can try it for free. All right, so I logged into Blotato. Like I said, it's free, but I have the paid version, which is only $30 a month, and it is so worth it. There's a bunch of other things you can do in here, like you can create posts for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. There's also a calendar where you're able to schedule those posts, but I like the video portion of it. So I'm not gonna go through this, but all you need to do is it allows you to create a script. So maybe you're not in my niche and you want to do scripts like storytelling, faceless AI videos. You can just generate it right here, pick which theme you want. 11 Labs is integrated in here as well. And then you're able to create captions and all of that good stuff. So with Go High Level, Blotato, you are able to create a system that generates you traffic and pushes people on your email list. So you're able to get paid and promote different products. Now, if you want to get access to all of this, like I said, all you need to do is go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you're able to join the group. If you have any questions or you want help setting everything up, just join the group and message me in the chat, or you can DM me as well. This is where I spend a lot of my time. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. But that is it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.